Hello everyone, it's Victoria. Guess what just arrived? I'm so excited. I was out running errands today and I got home and I was like, oh yes, what a nice reward for going out and running adult errands. We got our BOXYCHARM base box in. I have to be honest, I am so excited about this. We just unboxed our premium box. I will link the video for that right up here, I think it is. I wasn't the most excited about that box. It was a collab with Fenty. You can watch that one, but this one especially I'm so pumped for. I don't really know any of the products that are going to be in here except for one, I think. I remember one, which is like a lip serum I picked as my item. You get to pick one item. They give you like an option of 2 or 3 to choose from. Just fun to be able to choose something, and then the rest are kind of a mystery. So it kind of has like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like, I can't bend it over here. It's got like a bulge. So I wonder what that's gonna be. Oh, actually, I just thought of another product that might be in here. I am crossing my fingers, like, please let this be in here. That is the makeup balm, like the cherry makeup remover balm thing. I have been loving those lately. Let's just open this up, explore it, have an adventure with BOXYCHARM and with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube, our family here on YouTube. Yeah, let's go ahead, let's go get some scissors and let's get started. Got the scissors. Okay, let's see what we have in here. I've been loving doing it this way because it's just so exciting. So I'm just gonna reach my hand in. Ooh, what could this be? Sweet! Oh my gosh! Stop it. Is this a lip liner? I think it is. Yes! Ugh, the base box knows my heart. I'm honestly kind of bummed that I canceled the base box and kept the premium. Although premium's pretty epic too. I've loved every single base and premium box, except for the last premium wasn't my favorite, although you'll just have to watch that video. This is epic. I'm so pumped about this. Yes, I need a good, oh, what? That is so pretty. That is a gorgeous red, and then on the other side you have, is that what that is? That's weird, kind of a weird rubbery buffer. I haven't had one like that before. Isn't that kind of a weird like rubber buffer? I don't know. Oh, this is from Becca, by the way. I'll post the product description and everything and the price on the screen so you guys can see that, and then we'll add up a total at the end of the video. Definitely a gorgeous, confident color. I love a good red lip. Okay, let's see what our next item is. I think this is what I wanted. I'm so happy. Please be what I wanted. Yes! I'm so excited about this, you guys. So excited. So this is the, to give a better clarification on what this exactly is, the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is from Pharmacy. I'm not the biggest fan of cherry, but I do not care. I love cleansing balm. I have found that it's so much more gentle on my eyes. You're actually supposed to use it when your face is wet, but I found that wetting my eyelashes is so helpful to just help remove the mascara a little bit more smoothly instead of just rubbing on dry eyelashes. So I'll just take water on my fingers and I'll just press on them, do that a couple times to help the water to just kind of soak in, and the rest of my face is dry. That's when I'll dip into something like this. This is a little scooper, which is so nice, but if you don't have one of these, just a little tip, you can pick some up for free at Ulta. They have them just on like the little counters. You can pick up some little basic spoolies too and little lip applicators, which are so handy. I use those all the time. They're so nice and they're free, so bonus. Yep, smells like cherry, but it doesn't bother me that much. This is such a hefty tube. I'm so thankful for this, you guys. This makes this entire box 100% worth it. Like, everything else is a bonus to me at this point. Okay, next one. There's still 3 more things. Oh, this is the lip serum. I knew it. Yep, this is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. I'm big on preventing them. I think I might use them like on my forehead too or something like that, because why not? Let's see. Oh, I like that. I like this a lot. So I'm not gonna pump any out because I don't want to waste it. I can't smell anything. I'll test this out tonight and I will let you guys know later what I thought of it. I'm loving this so far. This video is going to be so short because I just get so excited. I want to just see everything. Oh, I think these are tweezers. Oh my gosh. I do watch the spoiler videos, so I have an idea of products that might be coming, but I've learned from the past not to expect anything because I've gotten in my base box things that were not on any spoilers, and so I just know you never know what you're gonna get, and I think that's the fun of it. And that's why I like this box better than the Fenty box, because it's more fun to have a variety of a bunch of different stuff. For me anyways. And I've really been needing new tweezers. I'm so thankful for this. Oh my goodness. I know it's such a simple thing. When I first thought that they released this as one of the items in the BOXYCHARM box, I was like, I thought that's just a filler item. I wasn't that excited about it. But honestly, it's basically free at this point because this was the biggest thing that I wanted, and I know this alone is so spendy, so I'm pumped about that. I don't know like what those little grippers are for, maybe for your fingers. Maybe it just makes the design more modern and chic. I don't know. Okay, we still have 2 more things. I think at this point, I'm pretty sure I know which eyeshadow palette that we're gonna get. They had only 2 in rotation of the varieties. I think I'm gonna get the Hank & Henry eyeshadow palette, which I'm not that excited about. I was really hoping for the BOXYCHARM palette, mostly because the Hank & Henry one, I don't like the way that it angles. That just kind of bothers me. I like organization. Just kind of bothers me that they're like at an angle and everything's so kind of almost messy, but it'll still be a really fun palette to experiment with if that's the one that we got. Yeah. That's the one that we got. Here she is. It's like a fun splattered look. It's a little thicker than I thought it was gonna be. That is gonna be a little bit bulky to store. Ooh, but that blue is so, that is so pretty. I don't have a blue that color. That is gorgeous. Those shades are all so pretty. This one has a little bit of green in it too, and that one. This is a super pretty palette though. I'm excited to experiment with this a little bit. All right, you guys, these videos always go by so fast. Too fast, really. So this was our last item. I always get so sad at the end of these videos. I'm still not gonna peek. Wait, was that our last item? 1, 2, 3, 4, that was our last one. I didn't even realize that was our last one. Well, those are all super epic. I honestly really love them. I still think that this was kind of a filler item, but if you need a new pair of tweezers like I do, then you'll be excited about it. I'm super pumped about the lip. Okay, all of that is just fantastic. Oh my gosh, this is $200. That is insane. Oh my goodness. I wonder if they have just like categories. You know what I mean? I wonder if they have like, okay, we're gonna put one product in there that's gonna be like the main base filler kind of for price, that is, because it's supposed to be above a certain amount every month, and then have a 2nd tier product, 3rd tier, and then kind of have like miscellaneous lower, less expensive ones just to add more variety but not make it too expensive, if that makes sense. That could be a strategy that they go by, but cool. I'm so pumped about all of these, you guys. I cannot wait for you to get your BOXYCHARM. I hope you love everything in it, and I hope you get just as excited. What are you hoping for in your box? Have you gotten it yet? What product are you like, I really hope that I get this? Honestly, even though I was really, really hoping for the BOXYCHARM eyeshadow palette, this was the main thing that I wanted, and so I'm like, I'm a happy camper. I can just be for the rest of the day because I got this. So this was super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to watch more unboxings, just wait for the video prompts coming right up, and that will invite you to watch some other unboxings that I've done. Hope you guys have a absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.